Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I modded my Ducky One SF mechanical keyboard. SF stands for 65. Okay, the board originally came with Cherry MX silent write switches, but I want something faster and smoother for gaming, so I decided to swap them out for Gateron Pro 2.0 silver switches. Now the tricky part is that this keyboard is not hot-swappable, which means I couldn't just pull the switches out. Instead, I had to desolder every switch from the PCB before replacing them. That meant carefully heating up the solder points, removing the old switches one by one, and making sure not to damage the board in the process. And here are the final result. The keyboard feels much smoother and more responsive now because the Gateron Silvers have a lighter, faster actuation compared to the Sun Reds, and overall, I'm really happy with how the mod turns out. This project gave me a deeper understanding for mechanical keyboards and the amount of detail that goes into modding them. It also taught me patience and precision when working with PCBs. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day.